In this moment I am here, and in this moment I can hope, I can feel. Whichever I choose, I will create more. There's no losing in my soul. The wind comes to remind me to breathe. So lift my back straight and I'll draw in deep. I can't bring myself to expect anymore. Within expectation is for sure disappointment. So we'll let it go when I can. I let it go when I can, when I can. I let it be as it comes when I can. I am a saint, but I am a simple man. I love to be loved too. I don't like to hate, not me, not you. That will be feeding the hate with more of what it is. I must leave behind the mistakes I've made once I learn their message. Say what I think when it's intended to be expressed, and I play when I think I need to make work so much less, so much less, so much less. This isn't a game, but it's not serious to be living this life in the freedom of now, in the freedom of now, oh, in the freedom of now. So there'll ever be each evolving moment, each progressive step. It's a place you don't remember, but you will never forget. You will never forget. You will never forget. I know only to expect just one thing in this journey of now. In this journey of now, change is the only constant in the world of the away. In this moment we are here, and in this moment we can hope, we can fear. Whichever we choose, we will create more. There's no losing in these minds so pure. Thanks everybody.